Hi everybody! In today's video I'd like to show you how to make a simple electric magnet. You may recall this experiment from your physics class or crafts lessons. So let's start. We will need a copper wire, some electrical tape, one AA battery, one nail, scissors, and some pins for testing. First of all, let's rub the copper wire around the nail. Like that. Make the coil as tight as possible. Now cut off the excess. Now strip the isolation. Then connect the contacts. Cut a piece of tape. And as it goes, one to the minus, and one to the plus. And so we get such an electrical magnet. Let's test it out. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments and press like. Thank you one more time. Bye.